Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Bobby at Bobby's Hobbies, and gotta go to work, but just wanted to take a look at this Athearn switcher, which uncharacteristically of an Athearn is having a lot of problems. Now it's kind of filthy there. Okay, fine. The inside looks neat, all right, but it's not really working. So if you put it on the track, it just sits there and doesn't really want to go. So we can put it on this little test track. I can show you what I mean. Okay, we're on a little test track. Get my big old arm out of the way. All right. I think I'm going to move this a little closer. Yeah, you can see it there. That's a pretty good view. Okay, so I'm going to connect. This is a pretty miniature test track, but that's okay. Now, of course, trains like to do what they want, not what you want, so watch it works now. See, it's not working. Humming and it's stuck. So, clearly, it just stuck. So I don't want to burn it out. Why is it stuck? So, let's get in there. Figure this out. Is the lock here? Let's see. No, it's not doing anything. Oh, it's because this is gone. Let me put that back. Oh, is this gear too small? Might have replaced the gears. See, this, I think this has been monkeyed around with. Let me see if these wheels are moving. Yeah, they're moving. This is mighty strange. Mighty strange. Also this, let's see if it moves without this gear. Spinning. Really weird. Oh, this is, yeah, this is tight. See this? This not so much. Let's see if this spins when I manually turn the main gear. Yeah, I can feel the wheels rotating. Let's put some oil. Now let's see how this motor works. Now it's got no restraint on it. Uh-oh. We lost a piece. Yep, went flying off. That was unexpected and unfortunate. We shall have to do a recovery. I think it went in that direction. I'm going to check the film. Okay, well, it's on here. It's been lubed up. There was a sticky spot on each of the main worm drive gears. Maybe that was the cause of it. It's all been lubed up. I haven't tested it, so I don't know what's going to happen. Oh, look at that. All right. Hey, I think she's all right. I think we should take her to the main layout and see what happens. Let me unplug the power. All right, I think that's a success. All right, everybody, we're here at Bobby's Hobbies. We have just fixed this. It was kind of frozen. It was frozen because the grease had dried inside on the main horizontal axle where the worms are above the worm gear. And now that's properly lubed, she's fine. I'm going to reverse it. And there's the shell, Athearn conrail. So I'd have to snap the shell on, but I could just put it on there for show for now. You really don't see the light too much. All right. Point is, you have an engine that hasn't been running a long time, and it's sitting there not moving. You know, quickly get in there, relubricate clean, you might have a perfectly good engine. Hey, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you're enjoying, and have a great Friday in the cold month of January, if you're up north.